Are you looking for a move-in ready home, steps from the beach in one of Ottawa's most desirable locations? Welcome to 285 Lanark Avenue, right here in Westboro. This home has so much to love. It's in an unbeatable location right in Westboro. It has a bright and functional layout, and it has the perks of an end unit, offering you additional privacy and brightness. Before we tour inside the home, Kareem is going to tell you a little bit more about the neighborhood.
Welcome to Westboro, one of Ottawa's most sought-after neighborhoods. Right here, you're nearby Westboro Beach, as well as all the shops, restaurants, and cafes of Richmond Road. Whether you're watching a sunset at the beach or grabbing a coffee at Equator, it's all right here. You've got excellent schools, easy transit, and lots to do.
This home was built in 1974 and has been tastefully maintained ever since. The main level features lots of natural lighting and extra windows due to its end unit layout. The kitchen is bright and functional, offering you plenty of workspace. You'll also find a powder room on this level and access to your private backyard.
Upstairs, you'll find 3 generous bedrooms as well as a full bathroom. The lower level gives you a bonus flexible space, perfect for a home gym, rec room, or extra storage.
The backyard space is low maintenance and private, perfect for relaxing after a long day at the beach or exploring the neighborhood.
This is a rare chance to own an end unit townhome in Westboro, just steps away from shops, the water, and everything this area has to offer.
Do you want to learn more about this home? You can find more information, including floor plans, a 3D tour, and a full pre-list home inspection on our website at nickfundytus.ca.
Know someone looking to move to Westboro? Share this video with them. Let us help them make their perfect move.
This home was built in 1974 and has been lovely. No, let's redo that one.
You're right near Westboro Beach, as well as
with extra windows from the end unit potential. That doesn't make sense.